Thank you guys for tuning into Simply Dhol, your online resource for Dhol lessons. My name is Manvir, and in this video lesson, we're going to go over 2 Giddha variations. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to play Dhol, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Before we get into this lesson, let's take a look at what we've already covered in terms of breaks and variations. So far, we covered Giddha itself and 2 variations, one that we dubbed double Giddha. We've also gone over 1 break, which is going to be useful in the next Dhol playground video. To refresh your memory on what each of these sound like, I'll give you a quick recap before getting into this lesson plan. If you want to revisit any of these previous lessons, I'll put a link to each video in the description box. The bowls for variation 3 are as follows. Da, na, da, na, da, na, 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 Giddha, na. That is. To help you guys follow along, what I'll do is I'll play this for you slowly and then we'll build up to a working speed. Variation 4 is very similar to variation 3, but instead of playing da, na, da, na, da, na, 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 we're going to play da, na, da, na, da, na, da, na, 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 Giddha, na. So we're adding the extra da there. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this for you slowly, and then we'll build up the speed. you guys go here, I want to give a special shout out to two individuals, Reet Chowd and Jatin Khurana, who have been using this channel to enhance their Dhol playing. If you want to be featured on this channel, send me a clip of you playing to info@simplydhol.com. Try to keep the video under 30 seconds, and if it's too large to attach, use a file sharing website like WeTransfer.com to upload it and send me a link. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.